Let's talk chilly Halloween forecast. Tonight, I'm going to show it to you again because I know it's super popular on social media, but the Halloween trick-or-treat forecast. Temperature today makes it to about 56 degrees, but at 5, 54, 56 degrees around 6. Sunset happens at 6:38. Our wonderful WFAA digital team has a whole write-up on WFAA.com of when it gets dark in North Texas, so definitely go over there and check it out. 48 degrees at 7, feeling like 43. That's when we're talking about a wind chill. The wind chill drops to 38 around 8 with an actual temperature of 43 degrees. So just keep in mind before 7, we'll still have some light, but after that it does get dark pretty quickly. Okay, let's talk spooky stats. Normal high for this time of the year is about 72. Normal low is 51. We are well below that by about 15 degrees. The record high temperature, 89 degrees. This happened in 1977. I grew up in Arlington. I grew up trick-or-treating in North Texas. It was always a toss-up of whether or not we were going to need a jacket. And these stats show just that. 29, the record low, that happened in 1993. 2 days before that day, by the way, there was snow. And that's the closest it's ever been to snowing on Halloween. Otherwise, we have never reported snow on Halloween, but we have reported quite a bit of rainfall with over 3.5 inches in 1981. Let's talk about today specifically. Okay, so today the temperature at DFW only dropped to 34 degrees. That means we officially did not see a freeze. That is why we have a freeze warning in place tonight through Wednesday morning for Tarrant, Dallas, Rockwall, Kaufman County to the south. This is usually put in place when we are expecting our first freeze of the season, and we are expecting that tonight. Dallas will drop to 32, 31 in Fort Worth, so a few degrees cooler than what we experienced this morning. Go ahead and protect those sensitive plants again. I think the pipes will be fine. We're only expecting to be in that freezing category for about 3 hours tomorrow morning. Right now, 47 degrees in Fort Worth. The wind chill, it's at 44. We're still dealing with a brisk north wind. That is what's helping keep those temperatures down. It's also what's helping it feel a little bit cooler than the actual temperature. 49 degrees at DFW right now. The wind is still out of the north at about 13 miles per hour. We are looking at very dry air in place. Look at this dew point. Remember, that's a measure of moisture. The lower the number is, the drier the air is. 27 is pretty low, and we're going to keep it dry all day today, all night tonight, and it's because of a front moving in. Before I get to that, I do want to talk you through the rest of your day. At about noon, 49 degrees, feeling like 44. 54 degrees around 2. I'm thinking the high temperature today will be about 56. That happens around 4. 52 degrees around 6. That's when we're talking about a wind chill dipping into the 30s by about 8, 9, and even 10 this evening. There's that front. The front won't impact our high temperatures today, even though we're still looking at a north wind. It's still going to be dry, but those temperatures are still going to be trending cooler than normal. About 56 degrees in Dallas, 55 in Fort Worth this afternoon, 58 in Denton, and 57 in McKinney. That is about 15 degrees cooler than what's considered normal. The record, by the way, 89. I told you that in the early 30s. We're nowhere near that. The front moves through this afternoon and tonight. You won't notice a big difference. The only thing that you'll notice is slightly cooler conditions tomorrow morning. Our winds are not going to be quite as breezy as what they were yesterday, so that wind chill will not be quite as drastic. But after tomorrow, we're looking at a warm up. So again, prep for chilly weather tonight. Temperature does eventually climb to the low 60s on Thursday, and then we're looking at 70s this weekend. I know a lot of you on social media were talking about us skipping fall. Well, hey, fall will be back late week into this weekend. Morning lows will still be chilly in the 50s. We do fall back Sunday morning, and then after that, we're looking at a warm up. We're staying generally in the 70s early next week, Megan.